Hello everyone, this is Aisha Umar and this is the first time I'm going live from my page. So this is, like a brand new experience for me and I'm not used to it. So, all of you, I guess, know who I am. You've seen me on TV. I've been around for a little while. You've seen me modeling for different campaigns. You've seen me acting in a film. You've seen me acting on TV. You've seen me do theater. But all this happened by default. It wasn't planned. In fact, I never plan anything in life. I went to an art college, NCA, and I'm actually a painter by profession. I started doing a lot of theater while I was in school and college. And while I was doing that, I started, getting acting offers for TV while in college. और मैंने सोचा कि चलो क्यों ना एक्टिंग भी साथ साथ थोड़ी सी कर लें तो थिएटर तो मैं कर ही रही थी काफ़ी सारा एंड दिस इज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लाहौर so I started acting and I can see a lot of comments coming in right now, but let me talk a little bit and then I'll read your comments. So acting भी शुरू की and college में I started doing little sitcoms. And when I graduated, I always thought that I would be a painter. I never thought that I would become like a professional actress or like a host or a VJ. So when I graduated, I started getting a lot of serious acting offers. और मैंने कहा चलो, I'll take them up. So एक के बाद एक, I started taking up those acting offers, and lo and behold, I just started acting. Then I moved to Karachi. I was going back and forth a lot, so I moved to Karachi and मैंने यहाँ पे VJing भी शुरू की Indus Music पे, फिर MTV Pakistan पे भी I was VJing and hosting, and then my career just became about the media. वो painting थोड़ी सी एक back seat पे चली गई. And I still want to go back to painting. I want to sing more because I also sing. But my main profession is acting and hosting. Today we're talking about something which caught my eye recently, and I felt like I also wanted to talk about it. I also wanted to put my 2 bits in. Recently on Facebook, I saw like a blog by a friend, and she was talking about labels and how we ourselves put a lot of labels on ourselves, on others, and the way labels are put on us. By us, I mean women in general, and also girls who are in the media. Because, honestly speaking, it is unfortunate, but it's the way it is. It's the truth. कि अगर कोई लड़की अपने घर से वैसे ही निकल के किसी प्रोफेशन में जा रही है, that is a label on its own already, that oh my god, she's leaving her house and she's going out into the world, and if she is in the media, there must be something not quite right with her morals. Unfortunately in our society there are labels like that, and मैंने अपनी पूरे करियर में, अपनी ज़िंदगी में भी बहुत सारी लेबल्स का सामना किया है, एंड आई वुड रियली लाइक टू वॉश a few labels. I try and not label others either, because you should be practicing obviously what you preach. I try and not judge people according to preconceived notions of mine. I try and take everything at face value. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं कोई judgment form ना करूँ, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत सारी लेबल्स लगती हैं हम पे. सबसे बड़ी एक लेबल जो विच वी सी ऑन TV ऑल्सो, कि अगर कोई लड़की वेस्टर्न कपड़े पहनती है, जीन्स पहन रही है, तो देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग रॉन्ग विद हर. शी मस्ट बी अ फास्ट गर्ल. अगर उसने शलवार कमीज़ पहना हुआ है, फुल स्लीव शलवार कमीज़ पहना हुआ है, और सर पर अगर दुपट्टा ले लिया है, वो तो और भी बेहतर है, तो देन वो शरीफ होगी. कपड़ों का एक ऐसा लेबल है जो बहुत ज़्यादा हम भी लगाते हैं और हम पे भी लगता है. That's one label that I strongly want to wash. I strongly want to wipe that label out, and I hope that maybe by listening to me, or maybe by us saying things like this, creating awareness, वो लेबल थोड़ी सी वॉश होगी. टीवी पे भी हम जो कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करते हैं, जब हमें फॉर एग्जांपल किसी कैरेक्टर की ऑफर आती है और आई एम आस्क्ड टू प्ले अ कैरेक्टर, तो जो कपड़े वो कैरेक्टर पहन रहा है वो ऑफ कोर्स डिफाइन करता है उसको. लेकिन अगर कोई किसी फास्ट लड़की या कोई स्पॉइल्ड लड़की का कैरेक्टर प्ले करना है, तो डायरेक्टर जस्ट सेज कि जी जीन्स पहन लें, आप सिर्फ जीन्स पहन लें। और अगर कोई शरीफ लड़की है जो बहुत अपनी कल्चर और अपने वैल्यूज़ से इन टच है और एक बहुत ताबेदार सी लड़की है, अपनी फैमिली की वैल्यूज़ का ख्याल करती है, तो वो शलवार कमीज़ पहनेगी। सो आई मीन दैट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लेबल दैट एग्जिस्ट इन द सोसाइटी। Clothes, yes, they do sort of give an impression about the person that you are, but they don't define you, and they shouldn't define you. They shouldn't be a label. अच्छा, एक comment मैं अब पढ़ती हूँ. Okay, right now people are just talking about my work. Bulbule is best. Thank you, Mohammed Usama. But the purpose of this Facebook Live session is to talk about labels. अगर आप लोगों ने कोई ऐसी label किसी पे लगाई है या आप पे कोई ऐसी label लगी है जिसके बारे में आप बात करना चाहते हैं, so please talk to me about it. Ask me questions about the labels that I've faced in my life. Another label is कि अगर कोई लड़की अंग्रेज़ी में बात करी, and I'm talking about the media for example, कि एक और भी एक connotation है कि अगर लड़की अंग्रेज़ी में बात कर रही है तो वो spoiled होगी, बड़े नखरे वाली होगी, arrogant होगी, और अपनी culture और अपने values से वो भी in touch नहीं होगी. That's also a label that we put, which is also quite sad. Apart from that, if somebody's gotten success in a short while, या कोई लड़की successful हमारे इर्द-गिर्द भी है, especially in this field, तो जी कहा जाता है अच्छा she must have used some sort of shortcut to get where she is, because or she must have taken advantage of the fact कि जी वो लड़की है. And in fact what's really sad is कि मैं उन लोगों की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ जो who are not as educated या जिनकी awareness कम है या जिनकी conservative thinking है. I'm talking about even friends around me who feel that just because you're a girl you can do better in life because you're a girl and you can get things done. And I have actually heard my friends say this to others or around me, and it really it hurts me, it really upsets me. And this is something that I really want to talk about also, कि आपका gender कोई label नहीं होती. It's you, your personality, your work, your luck, your destiny that is defining who you are, not your gender. Really, it's really not that. अच्छा, और क्या है? Please tell me about your education status. Means your last degree. Asks this. Shit, naam chala gaya. Oops. I have done my bachelor's in painting from the National College of Arts, and that was after my A level, so it's equal to a master's degree in painting, and that was my last degree. Of course, मैं अभी भी बाहर और जाके पढ़ना चाहती हूँ या अपने मुल्क में, and I am trying to gear myself to study further. चौधरी मुबशर अली says आयशा की black label best है. Okay. Okay, thank you. Labeling in like I was talking about on TV, labels on TV. Like I did a film recently, Karachi se Lahore. It was my debut film, and we did try and wash a label in that. I don't know if you guys understood the message. One of the messages that we were given out, उसमें मेरा कैरेक्टर जो था वो एक लड़की है, मिडिल क्लास लड़की है जो शलवार कमीज़ पहनती है, अपने घर से निकली, एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आई, उसके बाद एक ऐसी सिचुएशन में आ गई जिसमें उसने एक चोली और लहंगा पहन के डांस किया ऑन अ स्टेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ मैन. उसके बारे में बहुत बात हुई, that oh my god, this is so immoral, but it was a film, it was a situation. And we did try and wash the label that, okay, even if you're a girl from a good family with values, and if you end up doing something like that, it doesn't mean that you're bad. Because मेरा character एक situation में था, अपने दोस्त को बचाने के लिए disguise पहन के perform करना पड़ा, and then later on, the hero and the heroine of the film end up together, and he does end up marrying her. So he's not judging her for what she did, because there's always a story behind everything. So we did try and sort of give out that message. I don't know if you guys saw that, but maybe by my conversation with you today, you guys understand that a little more. Your favorite Bollywood actor? अच्छा, आप लोग जो हैं वो मुझसे thank you so much for all your praise and support, but I would really like to talk about the subject today, which is wash the label. And if you guys have any questions for that, or if you guys have any comments, please do share that. your fitness routine, ask somebody. Situation में culture भूल जाओगी. शेख और सुलेमान ने बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ बोली है कि एक सिचुएशन में आप कल्चर भूल गए. नहीं, दैट इज़ अ सिचुएशन दैट एनीबडी कैन फेस, एंड उसमें एक वही रास्ता उन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए था, और वो आयशा उमर नहीं थी, वो कैरेक्टर था. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दैट व्हेन वी प्ले अ कैरेक्टर ऑन स्क्रीन, इट इज़ दैट कैरेक्टर एंड नॉट अस. So it's not a definition of the person that I am, it was how that character acted in that situation. हर किस्म के कैरेक्टर्स इस दुनिया में होते हैं, इंसान मुख्तलिफ सिचुएशंस में कुछ भी कर सकता है. सो दैट वाज जस्ट वन ऑफ द कंक्लूजन्स, और वन ऑफ द, आई वुड से, वन ऑफ द डायरेक्शंस दैट कैरेक्टर हैड टेकन. आपकी ड्रेसिंग पसंद है यार, थैंक यू सो मच. Any new movie, Irfan Khan is asking me. Yes, as a matter of fact, I've just started working on a new film. Ehsan Khan is working with me in that. अभी 3-4 दिन हुए हैं शूट को, और हम दिन रात शूटिंग कर रहे हैं उसकी. So this conversation is also in the middle of a lot of work right now, guys. Look out for that film. Inshallah इसी साल release होगी. And I'm also working on another film in March and April. So yes, a lot of work. And I need all your prayers for that. In films maybe, in fact, we're talking about certain labels. I cannot reveal much right now, but मेरी कोशिश होती है कि मैं जो भी काम करूँ, जो भी project करूँ, उसमें कोई ना कोई inspirational चीज़ हो, कोई message हो. Not like giving a lecture to anybody, but just suggesting that this is also possible. Just giving out messages, just trying to change a thought pattern. Because I think हम इतनी preconceived notions हैं हमारे अंदर. We have so much filled in us, so many social taboos, so many things that have been put into our head. We've been brainwashed by a lot of things around us कि हम अपनी सोच, अपनी judgment को भूल जाते हैं, and we start adopting and adapting other people's judgments or labels that they're putting. So the point is that I would really like to myself also not go that way, and I would like you guys to also try and wash labels and not really label things, not label people, not label characters of people because of something that you conceive or something that you feel. So yes, wash the label, guys. And that's it. Now I'm gonna finish.